This is the new missile truck in Military Tycoon. The missile truck has 6 rockets. I'll be testing it against the Gold F-16. The Gold F-16 can be killed in just 3 rockets, but if the Gold F-16 uses flares or uses hypersonic, it is able to evade the rockets. Overall, the new missile truck is pretty good. Unfortunately, it is not able to catch some of the event vehicles. Almost got the Gold F-16 there. Almost dead. And there it is, it's dead. Now I'm going to test and see if the Dark Star is able to outrun the missiles without using hypersonic. And it is. The Dark Star is able to outrun the missiles.